and we create another endpoint on this page. It's for deleting a product. So we will delete the product that is selected in the table. That is, we add data from here with the product name, and here we will display its object ID, which we visually hid in the table. Next, we go to the backend part and create an endpoint to delete a product. We can copy the previous endpoint, change the operator here to remove. Be sure to change the name. Leave only msg.payload in the function node, in which there will be the ID of the object we want to delete. We also change the method to delete and the name of the endpoint. We immediately copy the name and click deploy. Until you click deploy, no changes will be available. We create the corresponding endpoint, the delete method, take the link from the env, add the endpoint name, and write what we want to do, to pass. And we take the selected object from the table. That is, when we click on this button, we need to call the API delete product. In case of success, let's immediately call get product. That is, our table should be updated. In case of an error, we will not do anything. We click on delete. Let's test it. We see the product is gone.